Well, good morning. This is Project Larry here. Now I have myself a bit of a task. This is basically Project Larry Part 2. My job for the day is going to be assessing the things, see what I can save, and actually just getting it off the back of the truck. And that's going to be more awkward than it sounds. And I do have to get it off the back of the truck today because in the morning I need my truck. I've got another job to go and do. And I need to be cracking on with it as soon as I get down here. I think the best thing I can do is bung it where Barry is here, so move that out of the way, move Nigel out of the way and crack on. Now if you saw the hassle we had getting this car in the back of the truck in the first place, you'll know that this isn't even going to be that easy, and I'm doing it by myself. Even getting those ramps inside was quite awkward as a two-man job. The ramps wouldn't go underneath the car because it's too low down, and they wouldn't go through the tailgate because it doesn't open. Anyway, rather than standing around here chatting about it, I should probably crack on, move these cars out of the way. Got the ramps out. That was actually quite difficult to do that, and just pump the tyres up. Might make it a bit easier to move. Just before I take this off, let's have a proper look around it. I'm hoping this will come off without any issues, so I'm not going to bother recording taking it off in anticipation of it just coming straight off without a problem. Well, look at this. Many people are going to look at a car like this and think, well, perhaps you should try and save it. But it is pretty rotten. And you know, when you can see it on the outside, it's going to be worse on the inside. So that's straight through there. And then this sill here. Oh dear, look at that. It's halfway along the car. Just a great big hole. It all looks a bit sort of crusty under there, but it's also appears to be solid with just surface rust. So there might be a few bits of suspension components worthwhile saving. The doors are all okay. The tailgate is quite good, just needs all those stickers peeling off. The rear bumper's okay as well, more stickers. That door's okay, and the other one's okay. And then of course we have more extensive rot along the sills. You can see it's already been patched up at some points. The carpet is dirty but okay, and the dashboard isn't lifting, so that will definitely be coming out. It's a proper car, this car. Not some shit Volkswagen.
There's a bit of rope under the wheel together.
There we go. This is most undignified, isn't it?
You want me to sit in it? And do handbrake?
Oh!
There you go.
Do you want to? Go on then.
Tell me where to work.
He's a good boy actually, Carl. Right, handbrake. Off.
Oh,
Just test it now.
well, that's all.
Yeah, it definitely works.
Oh yeah, you can hear it creaking.
Right, well, we don't really need that one then. Right, so
And we're doing this.
oh, look at that, it's all on the place as well.
Does this stereo work?
No. No, it's strange thing, it wouldn't steer. The thing's locked. So we undid the column and it's still locked.
Maybe it's seized up.
Something seized up there. Right, well, I reckon let's just give it a go.
Aye.
Handbrake off then.
Now?
Yep.
Whoa.
There she blows.
That's handbrake holder on that.
Is it?
Does it touch the floor?
Oh Jesus, yeah. A bit of overhang there, hasn't it?
It's got a bit of overhang. It might just about do it. Well, that really was quite a fiasco. And if it wasn't for the help of Damien and Carl, I really don't know how I would have got this thing off. With it being Mother's Day, and especially because it was raining, I did consider not coming in at all today. But then I remembered that that 820 was still on the back of my truck, and the truck is needed tomorrow morning first thing. So I had no choice but to go and get it off. I don't know what would have happened there if it wasn't for Carl and Damien just turning up. But that day's gone by very quickly. 2 hours I had just to get that thing off the back, and I didn't really do anything else besides that. I took some wheels away. That's it. That's bonkers. So with my winch deciding that it's not going to work at all today, I had no choice but to release the winch from the hook and then rely on the handbrake as it goes. Have Carl actually use the handbrake while I pushed it. Damien filmed, and then Damien had to join in as well because it got a bit stuck.